Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Harman Kardon Go Plus Play 3 speaker and I'm going to tell you how to connect the speaker with your phone by jack. First you have to prepare yourself a jack to jack cable like I do have here, as you can see, and now we have to plug this jack cable over here in aux output, and the second part of this cable we have to plug into our phone. Of course, our phone has to have our jack cable, and in these times almost no phone has jack cable. As you can see, our phone detected our headphones, but these are not headphones. But that's it. Hope it helps and goodbye.